So actually here I am on to another day. So this whole side is done. As you had seen, I put in that last piece, and then I went ahead and started over here. So I've already gotten in all of the drip edge. The first row is in, second row is going in, if and when it wants to rain, which is supposed to be coming this Wednesday, Thursday. So as I'm recording right now, it is Monday. So that's coming up quick. So I definitely need to get this done. So between this afternoon, I'm gonna come back out here once it cools off, because right now it's in the hottest part of the day. It's right around 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna wait a couple hours. You know, I'm still getting some hydration in. And then from there, I'll get as many rows as I can up on the ladder, and then from there I'll actually have to get up onto the roof, utilizing, you know, safety gear and such, and just try to knock out as much as I can before the rain comes. And on a good note, Mom and Dad's on their way back, so by the time you guys see this, they should already be home. So welcome back to the journey, folks. So we actually had some folks come over to assist with getting up stumps, doing some things. So services well rendered. Yes, you know, nothing around here is free, so that's okay. Like I said, it's either, you know, we are 100% willing to pay for a product or pay for services or barter for services. Those are all things that, you know, we are willing to do. It is what it is, but look, we no longer have a stump, so it's amazing. So I have a few areas. Actually, let me just get you flipped around and then we'll show you. So if you see, this rock pile is gone. Still got a stump to take out. Whole lot of tracks. Willow's over here inspecting. Got a bunch of tracks going that way with a whole bunch of piles over there. Oh, Willow, what do you think about it? Wanna go show them? All right. Well, this pile here got taken down. Still got a little bit to do. I can do that with Little Mac. Dad's actually working on the tire right now until I can get it over to the shop. Because it does hold air for at least a day. Got the logs and everything stacked up. And if you can see, okay, so out of all of the holes that have been dug for a foundation, obviously this needs to get backfilled. We're still going to clean up some of this stuff, and then once it's backfilled, then we'll have to re-dig out the hole for the foundation, and then, which is fine. This is all stuff that could be done with Lil Mac. I can get all this refilled back in, and then plus it's much easier getting a little tractor in here than it is a big tractor, right? A 4 series tractor is pretty good size. But we got another stump taken out here. So this is the area of where, you know, like the porch would have been. So we got that taken care of. Now there are some other stumps here, but obviously because we are actually going to be looking at getting another tractor here within the next few months. It just really depends, like I said, of some financial things, but we should be able to get it done. But we got stumps taken out here, a lot of the stuff that was here, so I can dig the hole here, continue digging this one. Stump that was here, that got taken out, so now I can dig the hole here. And then same thing, a stump that was here, I can dig the hole there. So I had, was it 1, 2, 3, 4 holes that I still needed to dig. And now that all these stumps are up, we can get to it. So not only are we doing that, but I've also been clearing out the area behind the RV, just trying to get that cleared out. I was gonna finish up the roof this morning so I can show you guys you know, that is completely done, but Gladys and I actually had an appointment this morning that she told me about this morning. Yeah, she sometimes forgets to tell me things. So when I was planning to get up and work and do some roof work, you know, when the sun is still down, then that's what I was gonna do. But by the time we got back, it was already in the heat of the day. So it just did not work out. But let's get you guys flipped around and kind of show you what's going on over here. So there you go. It's starting to get, which is still fairly wet. There's a lot of clay in this area, but only a little bit left to go. Some of the bigger rocks and trash and stuff that was here, just getting this all cleared out and such. We should be done with all of this come tomorrow as I'm filming, which would be Saturday. So just trying to do the best we can. Obviously not trying to push anything towards the well house. We also have the power line that's just laying on the ground that comes to this, because that's temporary power, right? So we'll also watch out for that. And but we will get this knocked out later this evening and then finish it up tomorrow. All right, with Little Mac back in operation for now. That tire does still lose air, but it normally stays up for like a day or two, so as long as we keep putting air in it, it should be okay until I can get it to the shop. Got the flail mower connected to it, good old Del Marino. And well, you can see I kind of came over this area. I mean, I cut, you can probably hear Dad in the background, but I cut a lot of the area up over there, the other side of the pond. He's just been going to town all day with his weed trimmer and stuff. But I also came over here and just kind of went over. So yes, it will kind of smooth out dirt and stuff like that as well. Is that what it's meant for? No, but is also able to go through, and so some of the little roots and things that, you know, we were not able to get out of the ground, able to go through that. So obviously this area here is still not really compacted down. I drove over it a few times with the tractor. Obviously I'm gonna have to dig the hole basically right here where the stump was, right? So I still want to get in here with a box blade, or with the box blade on Lil Mac, and just try to smooth this out a little bit. I know, I've said it before, hindsight is 20/20. I should have done it before I dug any holes whatsoever and got all this area, you know, prepped before doing that. But anyway, this is where I'm at. It's getting to look a lot better, and now all the areas are clear to where we can come in and just start digging out all the foundations. So with that, once all the foundation holes, we're gonna go ahead and start buying the material, the concrete, the rebar, all the things, the forms, all the stuff that we need, and we'll be digging the holes kind of along the same time. So because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those are ready, 6 is ready. I have some that are started, but they're not ready for concrete. But all these up in the front are, so while one person's digging, the other person could be mixing and pouring concrete. So all right,
no Spanish. There's Dad helping finishing the roof. With the do it with the ladder when you come back to finish it. Just do it with the ladder, so you don't go over to the other side. Yeah.
Listo, linda.
Ready to go for the plastic. Mom! The plastic ones. Yep, they're right there on top of the poopy tin or whatever you want to call it. Beep. Beep. Yep, just like that.
Así.
Yep. And it's one on each side. You see where the holes are at to hammer them in?
Yes.
Okay, I use the long ones.
Give me the other one to put it in.
Other one, Mom? Then.
¿Qué le vamos a poner aquí, mister?
Huh? You're going to...
Right here.
Right in the center, yep.
So what are we going to put in the center right there?
This. You're going to do this. You're still covering it with this.
It's going to be in the top like this? Or
It's going to be overlapped. So it's just a vent. So what you're going to do, you're going to overlap it. So, yeah. Yeah, but that's what those came with. They came with the nails. Okay. Yeah, they came with the long ones.
As you see now, we got rain. It's been raining basically all morning. And we will be getting back to this project here very soon. That way they have a place to stay and not have to deal with this anymore and then having to take that door on and off. Because they go in there at night just to be away, because we do have coyotes that live in the area. And yes, I am still under the weather. I basically was in bed all day yesterday because I did stuff on this stuff with the tractor and got up on the roof and finished all the rows all the way up to the ridge. And then what you saw Dad doing was just laying basically one last row that had to go on the top, and then laying down all of the ridge cap along with a plastic vent. He wasn't 100% certain because he's never done those before, of like how the ridge cap had to go down on top of those. Even though I tried explaining it to Gladys, they still didn't do it how I was going to do it, but that's fine. How it was done is still going to be okay. So with that being said, I'm going to continue to take care of myself. Just trying to, man flu, I guess. I don't know. Overexertion of doing all that, plus having all of the bites down on my legs. I did post that over on Instagram and Facebook. I've been battling that, and then just overexertion, I guess. It really hit me hard. So all yesterday I had upset stomach. I even threw up and such. But yeah, I will get better. I'll do okay. So definitely thanks in advance to all the well wishes, for ones that have already sent the well wishes from the post, because we didn't do our live Sunday as you're watching this. I just don't feel up to it. But anyway, it's greatly appreciated that you guys are following in on our journey. We will continue to get out here once I get feeling better. If it takes a little bit longer, it takes a little bit longer. But we are also going to be taking a trip up to my mom's here coming very soon. One of our kiddos is actually going up there sooner. We're going to go meet my mom halfway and then come back, and then we're going to go up there kind of like for a little family dinner get together type thing, and then come back. So but we'll be up there for a few days. But anyway, that's what we got going on. So we definitely appreciate you. You got another video that you can check out here. The playlist over here for the entire year's journey. Icon at the top. Make it easy to subscribe both here and to our side channel. And then last but not least, always get out there and thank a veteran at every chance you get. Not only on Veterans Day. And we'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.